Another question we often get is if I was injured in a car wreck, for instance, and I already have some type of pre-existing condition, does that ruin my chances at having a personal injury case? The answer to that is no. In Alabama, we have what's called the eggshell skull rule, which means that you take the victim as you find them. So if, for instance, if you have some type of pre-existing condition that makes you more vulnerable or more susceptible to being injured in a manner that may not drastically injure the quote average person, that's okay. You take the person as you find them. You're not going to be penalized because you have some type of condition or some type of disorder that may make you more susceptible to being harmed. That's called the eggshell skull rule. And the point of that is fairness, is that we want people to be compensated under the law to the extent of their damages that are not caused by themselves, that are caused by somebody else. And you're not going to get penalized for being more susceptible to those damages than maybe somebody else is. For example, if you have brittle bone disease or something like that, and you get hit in a way that maybe just would cause some generalized soreness to another person, but for you can cause catastrophic damages and broken bones and things like that, then you're going to be able to recover those damages under the law, even if maybe for somebody else it would have had a different outcome. That's just something to keep in mind, that if you have pre-existing conditions, that doesn't necessarily mean you're not going to have a good case.